Okay,
All right.
yeah.
Okay, let's see if it answers the question that maybe there was the answer to the question that your viewer submitted. Okay, you got one too.
No.
Wait, I thought you said you had a question about like kitchen
Oh
stuff.
yeah, I do. Brain fart. Okay.
We need to make up a fake name for this person to protect their anonymity.
Okay. My question comes from HD Tanaka. And this question is, if you had to choose a weapon from your pantry in a fight to defend yourself, what weapon would you choose and how effed would you be? So
good question.
I asked the question, so you have to answer first.
Well, do I get any more context? Like, what kind of attacker? Is it a lion? Is it a robber? Is it like a tsunami? What am I defending myself from?
It is a creepy cloud.
A creepy cloud. Like the one in Rick and Morty?
I've never
The
seen
world can
Rick
be
and
one
Morty,
together.
so.
Oh, you might like it. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay. So I'm very minimalist in my life, and especially in my kitchen. So I have next to nothing in my kitchen. All I have, I think, in my pantry right now is one of those effervescent vitamin C tablets.
Well, I guess you could fight the illness he could give you.
Ooh, wait, did you say a creepy cloud?
Clown.
Oh, I thought you said cloud, and I had the perfect defense. I was going to grind up the effervescent tablets in the powder, throw it at the cloud, the water condenses around it, it falls as rain, dissipating itself into infinity. And that's how I'd win that fight.
Why on earth would you think I said a cloud?
I don't know, because normally you just say whatever's in your immediate field of vision, and perhaps there's a cloud out the window.
We have a cloudless sky today.
It's more common that there's a cloud in your sky than a clown in your sky.
Well, sometimes I can think of things that are not in my immediate vicinity and not just what's on my computer screen in front of me.
I'd like to see your computer screen right now. You probably have like a clown backdrop.
No. Too late. I scrolled, so that information is lost.
I guess the same defense. I would just like crumble up the powder and throw it in the clown's eyes and run away.
Yeah, but how long does it take you to crumble up powder?
Fast. I'm really fast at crumbling powder.
Okay, maybe that's one of your superpowers after you got electrocuted by the washing machine in Tijuana.
Yes. I love to be politically correct, and I always want to do things that make people feel comfortable and don't want to make anybody feel uncomfortable. But this Halloween, I did dress up as a cholo. It was awesome. I have tattoos all over my arms, neck tattoo, teardrop tattoo, bandana, chain, open. I just buttoned my top button, and the rest is open with a white beater underneath. And I know a lot of people would say, isn't that cultural appropriation, though? But it's not, because when I lived in Tijuana, I did get electrocuted by a washing machine, and so I feel like that qualifies me to be able to use this as a costume, right? I mean,
maybe that's your superpower, cultural appropriation.
being able to do it without being offensive. Okay, what did you dress up as for Halloween?
Well, my costumes are very limited because I never celebrated Halloween as a kid, so I just take what's in my closet. And I had this stripy shirt that was like a diagonal stripes, black and white. And I was talking to my friend, and he was like, "What are you dressed up as?" And I was like, "Well, I guess I'm a sideways robber." And he was like, "Why didn't you just say you were a zebra?" I was like, you know what? That would have made way more sense. But I'm going to go with the sideways robber.
Wouldn't the stripes be vertical, though, if he were truly sideways? I mean,
well,
he's just a little crooked. He's just a little crooked.
Oh my God, that would have been so great. I could have been like, I'm a crook.
Because you're a robber that's crooked. Okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, that would have been great. But I didn't have enough foresight because I was put on the spot because I wasn't planning on being anything. And then I had a t-shirt that has the Incredible Hulk on it, and I was like, I guess I'm Hulk.
Nice. Hulk who wears the shirt of his own face?
You can't really say what the Hulk will do because you try to tell him what to do, he'll just get angry, and then that's the end for you. So So I'd be very careful about how you criticize my costume. Thank you very much, Mr. ThugLife.
I'm not. I'm just. You gave me a brilliant idea. I wasn't criticizing it. I was being in awe of it. Thank you for using my fake name, by the way, to protect my identity.
You're welcome.
But next year for Halloween. I'm sending you a shirt to wear for your costume.
Yeah,
I've got a great idea.
Is it gonna be your face?
No, it's gonna be. That's close. It's gonna be your face.
Oh my god, that would be so cool. Wait, Cherry, what are you dressed up as? Myself. Oh, my favorite Halloween costume that I've heard of though was from the Addams Family. Wednesday dressing up as herself. And people are like, "What are you?" And she was like, "I'm a homicidal maniac. You know, they look just like everyone else. Homicidal maniac. That worked. Pretty clever."
I never seen the Addams Family. I don't get it. Who's Wednesday?
Okay, all right. So we have someone who is not attuned to culture.
You know what else we have in our media tastes? There is a vast difference.
There is. Like, you have seen Rick and Morty.
And The Simpsons. And Star Wars. And all of the rest of humanity have also seen those.
And The Lord of the Rings.
You haven't seen Lord of the Rings? That was very good.
Yeah. I got in trouble for that recently, so that's pretty fresh in my mind. Oh, but that's just the life I lead.
Nice. All right. Well, we did it. Episode 5. This is officially a podcast that's going to keep going. It's got staying power.
Yeah. So I hope you guys are ready to have as much BD.
How many fans do you think we have by now?
I think we have about 49.
That's a pretty good guess, I think. Okay. Let's put it on the line right now. Episode 100, when we tell our origin story, how we met, how many weekly listens do you think that we're at by that point? Make a random guess, and the winner has to pay the other guy or girl $500 in 1 year.
1 year, then I'm going to say 500 people.
I'm going to say 50,000 people.
Whoa.
So whichever's... but you're going to tank the podcast on purpose. Do a really bad job so we don't get any listeners and make an easy $500 in 100 weeks.
Well, the reason why I said 500 is because you said 500, and we all know that I use things around my immediate environment.
There's a method to the genius.
So my next topic of the day will probably be water bottles or Doritos.
Sweet. All right. Well, on that note, we want to thank everybody for listening to episode 0005 of this podcast.
But it's not finished yet.
Oh, what's going on?
We have to say the similarities between paychecks and punctuality.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, can't forget the object of our podcast, man.
So this podcast is about vast differences in the different things in the world, but how at the end of the day, everything is exactly the same. So how are punctuality and paychecks the same?
Paychecks and punctuality are the same because when they both happen at the same time, it makes you happy. Paychecks being punctual, that's like the cream of the crop.
Well said.
La creme de la creme.
Ok, pues muchas gracias a todos por escuchar episodio 00005 del Vast Difference Podcast. Please rate, review, subscribe, share on your professional LinkedIn networks, and tune in next week. I'm ThugLife.
And I'm Charity.
And this is Vast Differences. Oh no, I forgot to record.
You did it.